children to the plaintiff's daycare, but she claims she pulled them out because the plaintiff's husband was abusing them.
I'm going to take a little moment to go and check right now. You're in what state?
Pennsylvania. Actually, I can get my phone and give you the number if you want. It's saved in my phone.
No, we'll find. I don't know if your number would be reliable.
Oh, my number would be very reliable.
Thus far, I don't find your testimony reliable.
And actually, you could also
what city?
call the Londonderry
and
State
we're going to
Police
find out how long they give you to file for a child abuse case. All right?
Yeah.
And we'll see how reliable your testimony is. We'll make this real fast and easy.
Oh, that's no problem.
All right, good enough. I'll be back.
By the way, you're still getting whooping coming whenever we get back to Pennsylvania.
Did you see?
Excuse me, Judge. Threatening me.
Yeah, I know. You should have did all that when she abused her children. That's why I don't believe you.
I'm standing on this.
Like I said, you still got a whooping coming when we get back to Pennsylvania.
Okay.
Sir?
We'll see about that.
Oh, we will.
We'll see.
Okay, ma'am, once again, you're suing the defendant alleging she owes you this money for a breach of contract for removing her children without a 2-week notice as required in the contract, and for $500 she failed to pay.
Right.
She says the reason she didn't pay is because your husband abused her children physically. She said he bloodied their nose, stepped on their back, threw him on the couch. She even saw him pin one against the garage. And when I asked her why didn't she file a child abuse investigation, she said that they told her it was too late. So let's get to your defamation claim. What is that for?
Well, after she didn't bring the children back and I sent her the courtesy letter, I received text messages. When I received them, I left to go because I just wasn't going to fight and argue.
Defamation,
That's not true.
you have to prove that she said something to a third party to hurt your reputation in your business.
And after that, I left that part go until June 3rd. My sister-in-law called and said, Lori, you need to get on Craigslist. She posted very nasty comments about
on the internet.
On Craigslist, where she found me for daycare.
Which I can prove.
I removed my children from there and picked them up by the cheeks and grabbed them by the back of the neck. My kids told me this and that and the other. Yeah, you definitely slammed her real hard.
So then, sir, I called the police, the Pennsylvania State Police.
Okay.
They said they will contact her, flag that immediately, but print it out. I left to go Saturday morning. I received another phone call.
Let's see.
She did it again.
Okay, good enough. All right. Ma'am, I called. Well, now let me start with this. As a lawyer and a judge, I have to do my due diligence. So the first thing you do is you check the state statutes. And I checked the state statute. And under Section 5533, feel free to write it down since you don't know what you're talking about and you need to. Section 5533, Title 42, says that the statute of limitations is 2 years. We then called John, remember that name, John, at the Pennsylvania hotline for child abuse investigation. He confirmed that it was 2 years. So you lied again. Your claim is dismissed. Your claim is dismissed. Get out of my courtroom. You lied on these people. You defamed them. $5,000 for the plaintiff. Have a good day.
I told you she's crazy.
Don't worry, you're fine. The cops have got her. We can settle these charges.
Hey, we got her handcuffed. Handcuffed. Be right back.